Tera Peterson. I'm one of the co-founders of NuFace.
My name is Pia. I'm the creative director of LPA and a big fan of all devices that can pull my face back, right?
Lift, tone, and contour. This is our new NuBody device. So take all of that lifting, toning, and contouring that you love on your face down to your body. And the booty. And the belly.
Ooh, really?
And the thighs.
And what is it actually doing?
So what it's doing is it's going in. So the NuBody has the micro force spheres. So it's microcurrent that's going into the skin and stimulating it to firm, tighten, and tone.
Awesome.
So what you're seeing is like the crepiness of the skin is going to be smooth. Dimples are going to be smooth. And then the whole skin is going to be a lot tighter than before.
So I'm like getting married in 3 weeks,
Yes.
and I've been working out every day, and I haven't touched a carb, a rice, like nothing. But I do really, I'm like, I want
here.
that to go.
Yes.
Okay, so now show me how this works.
Okay, you're going to turn it on. Level 1, level 2, level 3. I always like to lift on high.
Okay.
But if you're just starting to use this, start with level 1.
Okay.
So what you're going to do, and you can feel there's a nice vibration, so it's really increasing the circulation. So the key is to apply your gel primer. So this contains Phytomoist and hyaluronic acid. But what this does, it's going to draw all of that microcurrent down to the skin and the muscles. And so when you use the NuBody with the gel, so take note, you never want to use the NuBody without the gel. With the gel, there's no sensation. So you're just going to apply it like kind of like a mask, okay? And you're not going to really rub it in, but you want to make sure that there's enough gel primer like on the entire area that you're going to be using the NuBody on, because if there isn't any gel, you're going to feel the current. We're just going to lift up like this.
Really?
That's
This
it.
also feels really nice.
Right? And it's going to beep. Just wait for the beep.
So the same as on the face where you lift and then hold.
Exactly. And then so your strokes are pretty slow,
This is awesome.
right?
And then how
it does-
long is each treatment?
Each treatment's 5 minutes. So it's going to auto shut off after 5 minutes.
So I just do this for 5 minutes on each side of my arm.
Yep. So
5
you
times
can-
a week.
Yep, that's it.
Well, I'm going to do it every day.
Right? I want you to do it every day.
And so is it tightening my muscle? Like, does it burn fat? I mean, just what does it actually do?
So what it's doing is it's tightening the skin. So as we age, right, the skin starts to loosen. And even for us women, 90% of us have cellulite. So if you had dimples on the booty or the thighs, what it's going to do and what microcurrent does is it strengthens the connective tissues. It's the same like if you have friends that have babies, you know, the skin on the belly has been stretched out so much that sometimes that skin doesn't go back.
Yeah.
So the NuBody's great for post-pregnancy as well.
I think it's nice to have something that, like, listen, it's not like I'm eating cheeseburgers and not working out, and I'm like
No.
buying something
Yeah.
to, like, you know, I work out, I eat really clean, and this zone has just been like really
your
hard
problem
for
area.
me.
Yeah, and that's what we say. Like this truly is the missing link between exercise and nutrition. It's like those stubborn areas that no matter how much you do,
Yeah.
you know, eat so well and exercise all the time, but it's just
This is gonna be
there.
awesome for
Yeah,
the stomach
for the stomach,
too, right?
it's amazing. I love it for my thighs because I tend to get like
And that must feel nice.
it feels so good. And on the booty, like it honestly tightens the booty, gives the bow back to the booty, because as we age, our butts,
Booty's dropped.
yeah, unfortunately. I want you to use it 5 days a week,
Great.
and you're gonna have a beautiful body for your wedding.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to use it 7 days a week.